An astronaut, an engineer, and a data scientist walk into a bar. But seriously, my name is Adele Luta. I'm a scientist and innovator for the US government. And today, on behalf of the NASA Space Apps Challenge, I'm going to talk to you about multidisciplinary teams and large data sets. I want to bring you a few tips that I've experienced over the years and from other experts. The first thing is, you or someone else has worked really hard to bring the multidisciplinary team together. What's a multidisciplinary team? It means it's probably people with different backgrounds. In my case, I worked on a team at NASA that composed of a flight surgeon, an astronaut, 3 different types of engineers, and a scientist. The work that it takes to bring that team together is pretty significant. And so the first thing I want you to do is to listen to all of those individuals. Take some time as a team and understand their perspective. Why are they sitting at the table? What's their biggest concern? What issues have they seen in the past? And what are they looking to get out of this data set in the future? The second thing I want you to take time on with working with a multidisciplinary team is making sure that the definitions that you use and the classifications, including units, are all agreed upon. It can be very easy sometimes to crosstalk and not actually understand what you're doing. Chances are running a large data set is going to take not only time, but significant computational money, which means that you want to get it right on the first run, if possible. Given that, it's really important to go in with some clear definitions and exactly what you're trying to do as far as outcomes. The last thing I'd like you to consider is bringing the whole team back together again at the end to review the results. If you want, go ahead and have them review the results independently. That may be productive because they may not all live in the same area. But get them to come together at the end and actually talk about what they're seeing. Remember, they're a multidisciplinary team, which means that they're going to have different perspectives even at the end with the data. Don't just have 1 or 2 people come back with the conclusions. If you follow these 3 things, I think you'll be successful in working on a multidisciplinary team with a big data set. Good luck.